There are numerous items accessible to charcoal barrel grills, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best charcoal barrel grills from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Royal Gourmet CC 2036F Charcoal Barrel Grill. Tremendous cooking space. Caters for 8 to 10 gathering with 654 SQ. In. Cooking grates, 267 SQ. In. Warming rack and 267 SQ. In. Offset smoker. All are made of heavy gauge porcelain enameled steel wire. Firmly attached to the main body for good circulation of heat and smoke. And it can also provide additional grilling or smoking cooking space for small side dishes. 3-level height adjustable charcoal pan creates better heat control and energy efficiency. It can hold up to 3.5 kilograms 7.7 pounds of coal, which is enough for large events. Easy to tend the charcoal up to 1.2 kilograms 2.6 pounds with the heavy-duty handle on the offset smoker. No worries for insufficient coal, and no need to remove the entire grates. The removable grease strip cup and charcoal pan help collect residues for hassle-free cleanup. Number 2. Char Griller 2137 Outlaw Charcoal Grill. Barrel-style charcoal BBQ grill and smoker with heavy-duty steel construction and powder coating finish, perfect for high-heat grilling and low and slow smoking. Massive 950 square inch total cooking area fits 38 burgers. 725 square inch primary cooking area with a 225 square inch warming rack. Cast iron cooking grates, adjustable fire grate, bottom storage shelf, warming rack, stay cool wooden handle, wheels, and front and side shelves with barbecue grill tool storage hooks. Control the heat levels with ease using the dual dampers and thermometer, and quickly clean up using the easy dump ash pan. Number 3. Big Bad Barrel Pit Drum Smoker Charcoal. Our 5-in-1 barrel gives much more than meets the eye. It can be used as a table to set down any item, an independent fire pit for winter, a BBQ pit with an adjustable cooking rack to manage the desired cooking temperature for meat or pizza, adjustable barrel height for child safety, and the option to hang your meat as the perfect grill smoker. Unlike solid barrels, our 2-piece barrel can be dismantled to make easy for transport. A large barrel cannot fit into cars and a truck is necessary. Ours can be transported in most cars and all SUVs along with trucks. This makes it very convenient for use at parties, tailgating, beaches and parks. Quick and easy assembly and storage. Plan on 5 hours of assemble to set up the Big Bad Barrel. Package for better shipping with extra padding, there will not be any damage in ship. Whether you're a pro with smokers and grills or just getting started, the Big Bad Barrel comes equipped with 6 stainless steel hooks, 3 utensils, an independent charcoal pit, and standard stainless steel grilling rack. Enjoy cooking with pork ribs, hamburgers, fish and specialty meats. Number 4. Char Griller E1515 Patio Pro Charcoal Grill. Barrel-style BBQ grill with heavy-duty steel construction and powder coating finish, the perfect grilling solution for small decks, backyards, and patios. 250 square inch total cooking area delivers exceptional taste and charcoal flavor. The cast iron cooking grates, bottom storage rack, heavy-duty steel construction, side air vent, stay cool wood handle, wheels for easy mobility, and side shelf workstation with barbecue tool storage hooks. Assembles easily and quickly cleans up after use with the easy dump ash pan. The perfect grilling solution where space is limited. The Char Griller Patio Pro BBQ Grill packs a powerful grilling punch with every meal. The Char Griller Patio Pro BBQ Grill features cast iron grates for even cooking, easy dump ash pan for easy cleanup, and double bottom construction for better heat control. Conveniently provides 250 SQ. In. Of grilling capacity, delivering exceptional taste and functionality. Number 5. American Gourmet Portable Charcoal Barrel Grill. The American Gourmet Charcoal Tabletop Grill is an 18-wide compact and portable charcoal barrel-style grill, ideal for tailgating, camping, or grilling on the go. Features 225 square inches of grilling space spread over durable cast iron grates. The steel frame keeps the grill stable, whether setting in on a table or the ground, and the cool touch handle keeps your hand from the heat. Side carrying handles make this portable charcoal grill easy to transport when you are on the move. Slide-out charcoal drawer allows for easy fuel access and cleanup. Can be used as a standalone portable charcoal grill, or can be mounted to the side of the Charbroil 1530203050 charcoal barrel grill to create an offset smoker, where this tabletop grill becomes the firebox.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.